Wiper blades that skip or chatter isn't just a frustrating nuisance for your customer. If the problem is serious enough, it could reduce visibility and become a serious safety hazard. So, what causes wipers to skip? There are a few factors to consider, including where your customer drives and the conditions under which the vehicle is operating. Other problems that cause chatter include the wipers are worn out. This is the most common issue. Old wiper blades can have hardened edges that don't conform to the glass. Another issue, the wipers were used dry. There has to be some moisture between the blade and the glass for the wiper to operate as intended. Or the wiper arm is bent or weak. When the wiper arm can't hold the wiper to the glass or it's at the wrong angle, it will result in chatter. The wiper arm spring can degrade over time and the pin can develop play. The only option is replacement of the arm or, in some cases, just the spring. Another issue could be dirty wiper blades. If the rubber edge of the blade has dirt or some other substance embedded in the surface of the blade, these tiny particles can increase its resistance against the glass, and it may not move smoothly. They can also scratch the windshield and leave a hazy finish on the windshield. It's difficult to restore a wiper blade to like-new condition. It is impossible to remove the debris from the rubber surfaces of the blade. Your best bet is to recommend a new set of blades. Consider suggesting wiper blades from B Pro Auto. These blades offer quality, durability, and performance with robust steel construction, graphite coating, rust prevention, and precise, streak-free wiping for all vehicle types. B Pro Auto also offers beam wiper blades, which feature a tension steel spline for uniform pressure, aerodynamic spoiler to reduce wind lift, and nanotech graphite coating for clear, safe visibility. For more information, visit our website at bproautoparts.com.